Hello, my dear children. Good morning to all. How are you all? Are you all happy today? Yes, I am also happy. I am Sharon Varghese from Wayanad. Did you celebrate Onam? Yes. How was it? Did you enjoy? Okay, very good. Shall we start our class? Okay. Do you remember the story? Very good. Who is our hero? Correct. It's Pingala. Okay, my dear children. Listen to the picture. What do you see in this picture? Okay, very good. Palace, children, plants. Then, who all are there seen in the picture? Look. Yes, some children are there. Where are they going? Can you guess? Yes, very good. They are going to the palace. Who is sitting on the veranda? Yes, tell me. It's Pingala. Okay, my dears. Look at his face. Is he happy? No, he is not happy. He is very disappointed. Why he is so disappointed? എന്തായിരിക്കും പിങ്കള നിരാശനായിരിക്കാൻ കാരണം എന്താണെന്ന് അറിയണ്ടേ? We will find it out. So, please open your textbook, page number 13. പ്രിയ രക്ഷിതാക്കളെ, കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങളെ പാഠപുസ്തകത്തിലെ 13ാമത്തെ പേജ് എടുക്കുവാൻ നിങ്ങൾ സഹായിക്കുമല്ലോ. Let's read. The disappointment. Pingala watered and manured the seed, but the seed did not sprout. Pingala changed the soil and transferred the seed to another pot. Weeks and months passed. One day, Pingala went near the pot. He knelt before it. Dear seed, 3 months have passed. I want to take you to the palace. Please sprout out by tomorrow. But nothing happened. The next day, he saw children walking to the palace dressed in their best clothes. They all held well-grown plants. Pingala stood watching them sadly. Okay, dear children, shall we read it once more? Look at the screen. The disappointment. Pingala watered and manured the seed, but the seed did not sprout. Pingala changed the soil and transferred the seed to another pot. Weeks and months passed. One day, Pingala went near the pot. He knelt before it. Dear seed, 3 months have passed. I want to take you to the palace. Please sprout out by tomorrow. But nothing happened. The next day, he saw children walking to the palace dressed in their best clothes. They all held well-grown plants. Pingala stood watching them sadly. Okay, my dear children. Now we can circle the familiar words. ടീച്ചർ വായിച്ചു തന്ന ഭാഗത്ത് നിങ്ങൾക്കറിയാവുന്ന വാക്കുകൾ ഉണ്ടാവും അല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? ഒരു പെൻസിൽ എടുത്ത് നമ്മൾക്കറിയാവുന്ന വാക്കുകൾ ഒന്ന് വട്ടം വരയ്ക്കാം. Okay, have you done it? Let us read. First one, watted. W-A-T-E-R-E-D. Watted. Next, seed. S-E-E-D. Seed. Third one, pot. P-O-T. Next, walking. W-A-L-K-I-N-G. Next word, palace. P-A-L-A-C-E. Last word may be this, children. C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. Okay, my dear children. Now we are going to underline the unfamiliar words. നമുക്കറിയാം, നമ്മൾ ഈ വായിച്ചതിൽ നമ്മൾക്കറിയാത്ത കുറേ വാക്കുകളുണ്ടാവും. ആ വാക്കുകൾ നമുക്കൊന്ന് പരിചയപ്പെട്ടാലോ? ഓക്കെ, ഇപ്പോൾ ടീച്ചർ വായിച്ച ഭാഗത്ത് നിങ്ങൾക്കറിയാത്ത വാക്കുകൾ ഉണ്ടാവും അല്ലേ? നമുക്ക് ആ വാക്കുകളുടെ ഇടയിൽ ഒരു ഇടവര ഇട്ടാലോ? Let us see the words. Which word is first? Let us see. Okay, manure. M-A-N-U-R-E-D. Manure. Next word, sprout. S-P-R-O-U-T. Sprout. Next, transferred. T-R-A-N-S-F-E-R-R-E-D. Transferred. And last word is disappointment. D-I-S-A-P-P-O-I-N-T-M-E-N-T. Disappointment. Okay, my dears, let's read the words once again. Manure, sprout, transferred, disappointment. Okay, my dears, do you know what is manuring? Don't know? Look at the screen. What can you see in the picture? Yes, manuring. കുട്ടികളുടെ വളമിടുന്നുണ്ടല്ലേ? വളമിടുക. Next word is sprout. Do you know what is meant by sprout? Don't know? Okay. Look at the screen. Here one seed is sprouting. Okay. Next word is transferred. Okay, my dear children. Do you know what is meant by transferring? Any guess? No? Okay, I will help you. Listen. Here we have a bottle and we have a glass. I am going to transfer the water from this bottle to this glass. Listen. This is transferring. Our last word is disappointment. Look at the screen. What is meant by disappointment? നോക്കിക്കേ, നമ്മുടെ പിങ്കള അവിടെ ഇരിക്കുന്നുണ്ടല്ലേ വരാന്തയിൽ തന്നെ. മുഖത്തേക്കൊന്ന് നോക്കിക്കേ, സന്തോഷമുണ്ടോ? ഇല്ല. He is disappointed. Kids, ബാക്കി എല്ലാ കുട്ടികളും കൊട്ടാരത്തിലേക്ക് പോകുന്നത് നമ്മൾ കണ്ടു അല്ലേ? പക്ഷേ നമ്മുടെ പിങ്കള മാത്രം പോയില്ല. എന്തുകൊണ്ടായിരിക്കും? Can you say? Yes. Because his seed did not sprout. Now look at the word disappointment. We are going to play a game. Listen to spelling. disappointment. Disappointment. Okay, my dear kids. Now we are going to select some letters from the word disappointment. Which letter can we select first? Can you say? Yes. P. Next. Okay. T. N. O. A. P. T. Shall we join the letters? Yes. We can join the letters and make some words now. Let's take first letter P. Next, we can select the letter E. At last, we can take N. Now, we got a word that is pen. P-E-N, pen. Okay, just take another letter. We can take T. Next, E. At last, N. Join together. T-E-N, 10. We can take one more. Just select the letter S. Then O, A, P. How to read? So, S, O, A, P. So, okay, dear children. Is it interesting? Yes. Can you make more words from this word? Try to make more words from this word disappointment. So, dear children, look at the screen. Yes, you can see the picture in your textbook also. So, try to draw the picture and color it and send to your teachers. പ്രിയ രക്ഷിതാക്കളെ, നമ്മുടെ പാഠപുസ്തകത്തിലെ 13ാമത്തെ പേജിലുള്ള ചിത്രം വരയ്ക്കാനും അത് കളർ ചെയ്യാനും നിങ്ങൾ നിങ്ങളുടെ കുട്ടികളെ സഹായിക്കുമല്ലോ. See you again. Bye bye.